Hi friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you are fine now friends. In this video I'm going to show you the Dogecoin price prediction. Dogecoin is one of the best cryptocurrencies as you know. So in this video we see the next target of Dogecoin, what's the next target of Dogecoin, and what is the current status of Dogecoin in the cryptocurrency market. So before starting this interesting video friends, if you are new on my channel, so please subscribe now ABS Tech channel for more this kind of latest news and updates. Please, if you listen my voice, so please kindly subscribe my channel for more news and updates. As you can see here, the last one day, and let's see the last 1 hour price prediction. What's the current status of Dogecoin in this time in the cryptocurrency markets? Oh my god, oh my god, it's a really bad change in Dogecoin in the last 1 hour. Negative 4.65% falls down, and the high price of the Dogecoin is about 0.3033 USD dollar is the high price of Dogecoin in the last 1 hour friends. Now if we talk about the Dogecoin, so oh my god, what a bad chance we're going to Dogecoin. Now the current price of the Dogecoin is about 0.289 USD dollar, and the previous last 1 hour high price is about 0.3033 USD dollar friends. Absolutely a very big change occurred got Dogecoin in the last 1 hour. Now friends, let's see the last 1 day price predictions. Oh my god, the last 1 day price prediction is also goes very bad, negative 23.04% falls down, and the high price of the Dogecoin is about dollar 0.3737 USD dollar is the high price of Dogecoin in the last 1 hour friends. Now friends, as you can see here now on the graph of what's the next target of Dogecoin if we trying to detect. So it is clear for us that the next target of Dogecoin is to fall down friends. As you can see here in this period, Dogecoin travel like jump falls down. As you can see here at this time take a jump, and after jump falls down, jump falls down, jump falls down. Same process occur in this time. They continue this kind of structure as you can see here. So when they continue this kind of structure, so that's mean that the Dogecoin goes in the falling mode friends, as you can see here on the screen friends. So if this kind of change continues in the future, so maybe there is a very loss of all Dogecoin holders friends. So what's your opinion about Dogecoin? My personally opinion about is that the 70% chances to Dogecoin falls down and 30% chances to Dogecoin take a jump. But friends, if we look the previous last 3 days price prediction, so absolutely a very big change occurred in Dogecoin in the last days. As you can see here on the 16th April, a very high jump occurred in a Dogecoin price as you can see here. But if you can see here now the currently situation, so currently after this jump again falls down in 17th April as a continue as a full day of the falls occur in a Dogecoin friends. So what's your opinion about Dogecoin? Please share your opinion in the comment box, and friends remember to subscribe is very important for you for a new video notification. Thank you so much for watching this video.